How to upgrade to the latest version of Windows 11 on any PC. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to set up a virtual USB drive. For that, right click on the Start button. Click on Disk Management and the Disk Management window opens. Click on Action at top left corner. Now click on Create VSD and now browse your location to your C drive. And then you need to give a file name, suppose PSD. Click on Save button and click on OK button. And after that, you can easily change the virtual hard disk size and set it to GB instead of MB and set it to 16 GB. Once done, you can easily leave this all the options default and click on OK button. Once you have done that, you will simply see the CD-ROM which is not initialized. So what you can do is you can initialize the new disk by right-clicking on it and you will see the option to initialize. Click on it and you can select GPT. And after that, you can easily create a new simple volume and name it to VUSB. Once done, you can easily click this window. Now you need to search for Rufus online. For that, open any web browser on a device. Here you can click on the search bar and type in Rufus online. Here on this result page, click on the first link of Rufus and here you can easily download the standard version. Simply open Rufus and you can select your virtual USB drive. You can either download 64-bit or 32 bits and open the folder. Click on Yes button and here you go. The drive properties of Rufus has already been here, where you can simply click the arrow next to select button. And here, click on download. Here you need to simply click on download to get a Windows 11 ISO. And you need to follow the prompts to choose the latest version, your language, and download the ISO. Once done, and in Rufus, you can leave the default settings, ensure all boxes, example bypass requirements are checked, and you can click a start button. Once done, your virtual USB drive will be ready. Now, you need to upgrade to Windows 11. For that, you need to open File Explorer. You can use the search icon at bottom left corner and search for File Explorer. And once you get it, click on Open button. From this section, simply go to this PC and then you have to locate your USB drive and then right click and run Setup exe. You can easily follow the setup widget and choose whether to keep files or apps, accept terms and click install to start the upgrade. Once done, you can easily post upgrade cleanup and then within a few days of upgrading you can easily go to settings. Using the search icon, search for settings, open it, and visit the Windows updates. Here you can easily scroll down and go to advanced option and then recovery. And then you need to simply click on go back if the option is available on your PC. And then to revert to your previous version, you can click go back and after that you will successfully upgrade to Windows 11. Whether on supported or unsupported PCs. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.